Every linear equation has a variable in it, and that variable represents a value we do not know yet. Solving a linear equation means finding the exact value. Today we're going to learn how to do that by isolating the variable and checking if our solution is correct. When we solve a linear equation, our goal is to get the variable on its own on one side of the equal sign. This is called isolating the variable. To do this, we use the golden rule of algebra. Whatever we do to one side of the equation, we must do to the other side as well. This keeps the equation balanced at all times. Let us start with addition. Take the equation x plus 5 is equal to 12. Our goal is to get x on its own. To remove the 5 from the left side, we subtract 5 from both sides. On the left side, the 5 cancels out and we are left with x. On the right side, 12 minus 5 gives us 7, so x equals 7. Moving on to subtraction. Take the equation x minus 3 is equals to 9. To remove the 3 from the left side, we add 3 to both sides. On the left side, the 3 cancels out and we are left with x. On the right side, 9 plus 3 gives us 12, so x is equals to 12. Next is multiplication. Take the equation 2x is equals to 10. To remove the 2 from the left side, we divide both sides by 2. On the left side, the 2 cancels out and we are left with x. On the right side, 10 divided by 2 gives us 5, so x is equals to 5. Moving to division. Take the equation x divided by 4 is equal to 3. To remove the 4 from the left side, we multiply both sides by 4. On the left side, the 4 cancels out and we are left with x. On the right side, 3 times 4 gives us 12, so x is equals to 12. Finally, let us put it all together with a multi-step example. Take the equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. We have two steps here. First, we subtract 3 from both sides to get 2x is equal to 8. Then we divide both sides by 2 to get x is equal to 4. Once we have our solution, we need to verify that it is correct. This is called checking the solution. We take the value we found and substitute it back to the original equation. Using our previous example, we found that x is equals to 4. We get 2 times 4 plus 3, which gives us 8 plus 3, which equals 11. Since both sides are equal, our solution is correct. Isolating the variable and checking your solution are two of the most important skills when solving any linear equation. Now that you know how to apply each operation and verify your answer, you have everything you need to start solving any linear equation. Thank you for watching.